Welcome back to DTIT. My name is Dave. DTIT is a place where someone can stop in for some basic IT help for common IT issues. Here at DTIT, I take you step by step through the problems using screenshots to see exactly what you need to do. I chose this format to help new users or someone new to the IT field. If you find this kind of clip helpful, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It really helps out a lot. I have many more videos to come. Okay, let's get right into today's issue. System restore points. We're going to create a restore point and you can see how it's listed so you can access it. All right, the first thing we're going to do, the easiest way to get to the area we need to go is you go down into your little search tab down there, type system restore, and this is what the screen looks like when you do that. Right up at the top, you'll see a area that says system restore. We'll be clicking on that. Once you click on that system restore button on your search, you'll get the system properties page that will come up. At the bottom of this page, you'll see where we will create a new restore point. We're going to do that. There's a little tab right next to it. It says create. Click that. Okay, so once you've hit the create button, you're going to get the page that comes up to be able to create this. But the first thing you're going to need to do is type a name or title, what you're going to call this restore point. I recommend using a month and a year, or you could use a department. You can get more specific if you wish, but usually updates happen when programs do an update. So to help make a difference between just a system update and a restore point that you manually created, I usually just put a month and a year, and that's sufficient. You'll see in a list anything that's good for you, specific or not, just make a title for it. In this case, for training purposes, I just titled it training and I put in the date. So that's what we're going to go with for this, but you can put in whatever title you wish. But this, you'll see when it comes up in a list, will make it easy to find. All right, once you tell it to start doing its process, you're going to get the little screen that's telling you that it's working on it. So this is what that looks like. Here's the little screen that shows up when the restore point was created successfully. It'll let you know, and all you're going to do is just hit close to exit out of that. All right, now we're back to the system properties page where we started here. You can go back in and check that your new restore point is shown in the list. And to do that, we're going to go into where it says system restore, and that little button where it actually says system restore. We're going to click on that and we're going to go through the beginning of the process to see our list. Okay, once you click on that system restore button, this will be the page that shows up. This is the first page, and what you'll click is next. And now, as you can see, the restore point we created for this training purposes shows up. It's titled training and it has a date next to it. So if we needed to use this, we would click next on that, and it would go through the process of restoring the restore point from that point in time. Thank you again for stopping by DTIT. I hope you have found it helpful. Please hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. I have more videos that will be coming out in the future. Today's episode was dealing with restore points, how to create them and use them.